Recording the sewer here at 616 21st Avenue East. The date is August 5th, 2021. I'm making this recording from the open access 4-inch diameter Schedule 40 pipe here coming into the crawl space basement area. It's an open area right now, but I'm assuming they're putting a basement in here at some point. We're going to pull back from the main here and get a look at the line. So there's the city main. Within a couple inches of that main is our starting of our 6-inch diameter new flow cure in place pipe liner. So coming back from that point, we are in 6-inch diameter new flow pipe liner. You see our gap we left in the liner here to accommodate this connection point. There was a connection point that ties into the sewer down the line, and as prescribed in the proposal, we left a small gap there to allow that to continue to function into the line. We're still in 6-inch diameter sewer now, coming back up into our liner. And this is where it transitions from 4-inch to 6-inch. So 4-inch to 6-inch diameter transition point right here. Coming back further. We are now in 4-inch diameter new flow cure in place pipe liner. Alright, key, we're coming back still. Okay, we come into our first repair here. This accommodates what used to be a floor drain. I'm not sure if that's still going to be a floor drain, but there is a connection point right here. And we come back into another section of 4-inch diameter new flow cure in place pipe liner to come back and finish off the run here. And back into another repair. Oh, that's... I go back down to this tie-in because this tie-in is actually the trench that accommodates the downspouts in the front of the house near the stairs. So I had initially said that was the floor drain for the house. That's actually the trench out in the front near the stairs that accommodates the downspout. This is the drain for where that floor drain ties in through the basement. So this is the excavation outside that accommodated the branch arm for that floor drain. And now we're coming back in the last small section of liner that's going to lead back into the house here. And back into the house there. You can see we've got our connection from the liner to the PVC. And up out of the trench here, or out of the line there. And there is the where we're making this recording from, just a stubbed in piece of 4-inch diameter Schedule 40. And in the video there.